Could AI actually handle some of the work that accountants do today? We're already seeing AI tools automate bookkeeping, calculations, financial analysis, and reporting, and some of them are surprisingly capable. So, I tested several AI-powered accounting and finance tools, and here are 5 that are worth knowing about if you're working in accounting, running a business, or simply want to automate repetitive financial tasks. Starting at number 5 is tutorbin.com. While it's primarily an academic assistance platform, it can help with accounting-related problems, calculations, and explanations. It's useful when you need help understanding a financial or accounting concept quickly. At number 4, we have easypeasy.ai. This platform offers a collection of AI tools that can help with tasks like calculations, document processing, content generation, and other repetitive business workflows. It's useful when you want multiple AI utilities in one place. Coming in at number 3 is aadbot.ai. This tool focuses on AI-powered business and accounting assistance, helping users work through financial information and automate certain repetitive tasks. At number 2 is aiaccountant.com. The idea here is simple. Use AI to help with accounting-related workflows instead of doing every repetitive task manually. It can be useful for organizing financial information, getting insights, and speeding up routine accounting work. And taking the number 1 spot is digits.com. Digits is built around AI-powered accounting and financial automation, helping businesses handle bookkeeping, reporting, and financial workflows more efficiently. Instead of constantly jumping between spreadsheets and accounting tasks, you can use AI to automate a large part of the process. But here's the important part. These tools aren't a replacement for professional judgment, especially when you're dealing with taxes, audits, compliance, or important financial decisions. Think of them more like an AI assistant that can handle repetitive work, organize information, and save accountants and business owners a huge amount of time. So, will AI completely replace UK accountants? Probably not anytime soon. But accountants who know how to use AI could have a serious advantage over those who don't. If you're working in finance or accounting, these are definitely 5 tools worth testing.